I was almost in tears when I left that we don't have that up here. I Googled it and the closest Hobby Lobby to where I live is 8 hours. So maybe road trip sometime. Hey everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you some of the things that I purchased in the States when we went on our Disney World trip. If you follow me on Instagram and here on the community tab, you'll know that my family and I went to Disney World in Florida. We were there for a couple weeks. It was our very first big family trip, very first time for my girls on the plane, all that stuff. So I am going to share our Disney World trip here. I know it's not DIY or decor related, but we did use some hacks that I think you would find useful if you're ever considering going to Disney World and trying to do it on a budget. So I'm going to share that later. But when I asked you in the community tab whether you wanted to see our Disney World hacks or my shopping haul from the States, you said shopping haul. So I'm going to share that with you today. I went to 3 places that we don't have here in Canada. So first I went to Joann Fabric and Crafts. No, at first I went to Target. Of course, I went to Target because we used to have that in Canada a few years ago and then they shut down. So that was very, very sad. So I went to Target first. I hit up their dollar spot. Then I went to Joann Fabric and Crafts, and then I finished at Hobby Lobby, which is amazing. I was almost in tears when I left that we don't have that up here. I Googled it and the closest Hobby Lobby to where I live is 8 hours. So maybe road trip sometime. This haul is small. It's very budget friendly because I had to fit it in my suitcase and I had to first of all, make sure it fit, and then second of all, make sure it didn't break. Unfortunately, one of the items did break, but I'm still going to show it to you guys, but it's very upsetting. These are mostly spring items and all budget friendly, so I hope you enjoy this haul. First, let me share with you what I got at Target from the dollar spot. I love that dollar spot, it's amazing. So I grabbed this sweet little birdhouse in this minty green and white. I thought this could make a really cute centerpiece. I'm going to incorporate all of these things, I hope all of them anyway, into some spring DIYs that I have coming up on the channel right away. The next thing I found at the Target dollar spot were these faux marble and copper measuring cups and measuring spoons. I thought these were so cute and they were very inexpensive, $3 each for the set, and they would be perfect for anybody's kitchen. They're very neutral. Also from the dollar spot, I grabbed these striped napkins. I'm loving just this grassy minty green. I don't know what type of green you would call it. And I think this is a gray stripe. So 4 of these for only $3, and I got 2 sets of them to make a spring tablescape. I thought they would look very cute with this. Another thing I noticed that the Target dollar spot had was lots of really beautiful greenery. So each of these stems is only $3, and they had this eucalyptus, plus they had like a seeded eucalyptus. So if you're making like a dollar store or a budget-friendly arrangement like I did in my last video, check out your Target dollar spot if you're in the States to grab some of their greenery. I really liked it, so I grabbed just a couple eucalyptus stems for maybe tablescapes or some more faux floral arrangements. And then finally from the Target dollar spot, I grabbed some trim. So they had just the cutest little Valentine's trim, but I thought it could work for lots of things. So like a little silver scallop trim and some gold and white baker's twine. Next, I went to Joann Fabric and Crafts. I remember going there when we were in Florida 13 years ago. That's the last time we were in Florida. So many cute things there and so many great fabric selections. So I loved their new spring line. I grabbed this really sweet towel. It has like a tassel trim and then more of like this eucalyptus and greenery. So kind of purchased things with a theme this time so everything coordinated. Super cute for spring. And look how cute they are with the Target towels. Okay, one of my favorite aisles at Joann Fabrics was like their clearance aisle. It was chock full of stuff that was so cheap. I wanted to bring all of it home, and it was probably stuff that nobody wanted, but it was new for me. So I got these very sweet appliques. These were $4, and I thought they would be cute maybe on a DIY bag or some clothing or something. So sweet. Oh, that's my broken thing. And then also in the clearance section, I think this was $7, was this floral and peach project paper. This was from Joann Fabric and Crafts. So one side is flower, this floral, beautiful floral, and then one side's peach. So I thought that could make, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with that, but it would be such a sweet addition to some sort of spring craft. I also found this beautiful fabric at Joann. It's like a really lightweight knit and it's fuzzy, and it's just such a soft peachy pink geometric with white. So I want to make a DIY spring blanket with this, and I got this sweet, it's called Pompadoodle yarn. I've never seen this here in Canada, so it is a yarn. However, let's see if I can get it out. it has little pom-poms on it. So I thought that could be used to maybe trim the blanket, so I could just attach it to the blanket, something like this, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out, but I thought it'd be such a sweet trim for something. So cute. Okay, and then finally I stopped at Hobby Lobby. First I went on a Sunday and I didn't realize it was closed. I can't think of any stores that are closed here in Canada on a Sunday, but Hobby Lobby's closed on a Sunday. Then I went back to it again, paid some tolls on a toll road, which we don't have any toll roads here either, so that was really weird. But it was worth it. Went back again and I was overwhelmed. Like, I seriously wish I had brought 2 more suitcases, hard suitcases, so nothing broke, so I could buy all the signs and all the things. However, I used self-control. I only bought a few things, but I'll show you what I got. So I grabbed some of these napkin holders. They're just like galvanized, some sweet little galvanized holders in their spring collection. And I thought these would be sweet for a tablescape. They would look very cute with these, I thought. So everything is kind of coordinating. I got 6 of those. And then I got these. They had so many really sweet utensils in their spring line and everything. I was drawn to like the mint and the copper, but I just got the white because I thought they would match with my Target dollar spot things too, and they would just be timeless and match with anything. So I thought those were cute for my kitchen. And then here's the sad one. I got this really cute spoon rest, and it's a little mason jar, but look what happened in my suitcase. So I'm gonna maybe try to super glue it and salvage it. It's not gonna look quite the same, but yeah, sad. But they had so many cute farmhouse inspired things there. It was crazy. It was nuts. And then the final thing that I brought home from Hobby Lobby was this shadow box. So it was in there. So they have another clearance aisle. I love these clearance aisles. $5 for this. So it looks like it used to have a glass piece, but I actually don't really like glass in my frames because it reflects. You can't see the art inside. So I just love the weathered gray of this for $5. I thought this would make some sort of fabulous DIY, maybe with, you know, this paper inside and something for the girls' rooms or something like that. So that is what I bought when I took my trip to the USA. I wanted to share it with you guys because I know a lot of you are from the States, so I don't often go shopping there. Maybe one day I will have a budget to drive down to Hobby Lobby for 8 hours, do a girls' trip or something and shop some more. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, either way, it was really fun, and it's probably a good thing that I had limited space in my luggage because I would have brought home way more. I stuck to a nice small budget, only spent, you know, maybe $100 or $150, which was good, and it was so much fun. So let me know which of these items you liked the best. Let me know which of those stores are your favorite. You guys are so lucky to have those. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to see more of our vacation and just check out our Disney World trip and the hacks that I have, stay tuned to my channel. I'll post that in a week or two, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!